Привет everyone! Today's video is in response to a subscriber, hey just Abigail, who commented on one of my previous videos, roller skating at Lake Eola. She asked about the crossover move that I do in seconds 35, and so today I want to do a tutorial about that for Abigail and anyone else who wants to learn. The first thing I think is important is to be able to shift your weight from one foot to the other, as well as just having good balance on wheels. This I think is a good foundation to not falling when you do start crisscrossing your feet. You can do this a few times before you move on to the next step. After you get a good hang of that, the next step would be in a way to make circles with your feet, and as you can see here, it does take a lot of balance, I think, especially if you're just starting. And obviously I've been skating for a while now, and even then sometimes I have a hard time doing this, so yeah, this would be the next step. Practice this a few times, and then once you think you have the hang of it, then we can start the crisscrossing. Alright, we have arrived to the crisscrossing. If you got a good hang of that last step, this will be a lot easier to get the hang of. In the final step, all you have to do is overlap your feet instead of bringing them together like step 2. So instead of bringing them together at the end of completing that circle, you'll overlap them. Kind of like I'm doing here when I'm weaving my feet in and out. I would practice it a few more times after you get it the first time, but it is a pretty fun move and I hope you enjoy it. So I hope this was helpful, and I will see y'all in the next video.